Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the shirt tutorial where I'll be showing you how to attach the collar to the shirt. The short tutorial is coming up in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I went on to finish the 3 rows at the bottom part of the shirt, and then I attached the buttons. I believe the attachment of buttons is quite simple. You can do that. You just need to align your button with the buttonhole and then just sew it with a needle. So I've already done all the buttons. I did a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 buttons. So now I'm going to show you how to do the collar to the shirt. And to work the collar, we're going to start from right here. We did 3 rows, so this first row of single crochet, that's where we're going to begin, and then we work up to the first row on this other side. So we're going to get the yarn, start with a slip knot, go into that row here, in that first single crochet row, connect the yarn and chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we're going to work into this space over here, the two chain space. We're going to work 3 double crochets in that stitch. So 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Then we're going to chain 1, skip these 3 double crochets over here. Into the chain 1 space we place 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, chain 1 in the next space, which is this part of joining over here. We're going to work on one of the sides right here. Place 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1. We're going to skip to the next chain 1 space and place 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space, chain 1 in the next space, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then we're going to continue all the way to the end. So right here at the corner, you just choose whichever side you're going to place your double crochets on. It could be on this side or on this other side. After the last 3 double crochets, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to work a double crochet in this single crochet row over here. And we're done with row 1. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and turn. Once we turn, we're going to start in this chain 1 space, and we're going to place 2 double crochets. So together with the chain 3, that will make 3 double crochets like that. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next space, chain 1, and complete row 2 with 3 double crochets in every chain 1 space. I'll meet you at the end, then I'll show you how to complete the row. At the end, we're going to chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into this space where we chained 4. We're done with row 2, so we're going to chain 4 and turn to begin row 3. When we turn, we're going to skip these 2 double crochets and work into the chain 1 space. We're going to place 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets into each of the chain 1 spaces to the end. At the end, we chain 1 and do the last double crochet on top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the previous row, like that. Then we're going to chain 3 and turn. So we're going to be repeating row 2 and row 3. I've just done row 3. I want to do row 4, and row 4 will be the same as row 2. Then row 5 will be the same as row 3. So after chaining 3, I'm going to work into this space. I'll place 2 double crochets, then chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next space, and repeat to the end. I'm going to do a total of 8 rows while alternating between row 2 and row 3. So this is row 4, which is the same as row 2. Row 5 will be the same as row 3. Row 6 will be the same as row 2. Row 7 will be the same as row 3. So the odd rows are the same, the even rows are the same. Repeat till you get 8 rows. You can even do 10, but 8 is standard. I've done a total of 9 rows. Then I'll chain 1 and cut off the yarn, pull the yarn through and fasten. Then I'll turn my work to the inner side of the shirt, and I'm going to work a row of single crochets all around. I'm going to start from this corner over here in the single crochet row, attach the yarn with a slip stitch, then chain 1, go back into that row with a single crochet. Then we're going to have the second row, single crochet, and then we're going to get to this corner over here, and I'll do a single crochet in that corner, and then start working on the rows. Each of the double crochet rows will get 2 single crochets. So right here we have 1 and 2. In the next double crochet row, place 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Then continue all the way to the top. As you can see, I'm working over this end just to weave it in. In the corner stitch, I'll place 3 single crochets just to create that corner. So right here, 1, 2 and 3 single crochets into the same stitch. Then I'll move to the single crochet, to the chain 1 space, sorry. Then on the double crochets, each of them will get 1 single crochet. The chain 1 space will get 1 single crochet. The double crochets will each get 1 single crochet all the way to the next corner. At the corner in the chain 3, I'll place 3 single crochets. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Then I'll turn to the double crochet rows and place 2 double crochets, 2 single crochets, sorry, place 2 single crochets into each of the double crochet rows, starting here, 1 and 2, then 1. At the corner, place a single crochet into the single crochet row, and a single crochet into the last single crochet row. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then I'm going to weave that end, and now we're done. We're done with our shirt. The collar is in place. When we button it and fold, this is how it's going to look like. So we have this button at the top. We just do the button. Then our collar folds in like that. I did the wrong button. I'll weave in those ends of camera. So that's our collar. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, kindly leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.